Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I want to take a math class for class 8 and the topic is construction. Okay. Look, you see the creative question. The three sides of a quadrilateral are 5 cm, 4 cm, 4.5 cm. Length of the two diagonals are 6 cm and 7 cm. A number bisect the line segment of length 6.7 cm using pencil compass. B number, draw the quadrilateral. Sign and description must. C number, draw a rhombus whose two diagonals are equal to the two diagonals of the quadrilateral. Sign and description is must. You see the A number question. Bisect the line segment 6.7 cm. Look, at first we take 6.7 cm. Look, this is 6.7 centimeter. Okay, give the name. This is A and this is B. Now we have to bisect this. You take more than half of AM. Okay, now draw the two arcs. Similarly, you draw two arcs. Okay, now join. Okay, this is the bisect. Hope you understood. B number, draw the quadrilateral. Listen, dear student, look, the three sides 5 cm, 4 cm and 4.5 cm. And the two diagonals are 6 cm and 7 cm. So you have to write at first this. We write let A equal to 5 cm. Let A equal to 5 cm. Okay, this is A equal to 5 centimeter. B equal to 4 centimeter. B equal to 4 centimeter. And C equal to 4.5 centimeter. Take 4.5 centimeter. This is C. Then you have to draw two diagonals. The diagonals are 6 cm and 7 cm. Look. This is 6 cm. You consider this is D. D equal to 6 cm. And another diagonal is 7 cm. E equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now we have to draw the quadrilateral. Look, at first you take any ray. At first you take any ray BE. Okay, from BE we cut BD equal to E. This is BD. Okay. What I got? Listen, what I got. At first, we take any ray BE. From BE, we cut BD. We cut BD equal to E. This is E. E equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now taking B as a center, we draw an arc which is equal to A. And taking D as the center, we have to draw another arc on BD, which is 4 centimeter. Okay. They will intersect A. Now taking D as a center, we draw another arc which is equal to C. Okay. Now taking A as a center, we draw another arc opposite of A. Which is equal to D equal to 6 centimeter. Now taking A as a center, we draw an arc. Okay. These two arcs intersect at D. Now join AB, AD, BD and look, they will intersect at the point C. Now join AB, BC and CD and the last of all AD. Then join CD. Then ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Hope you understood. You may give another diagonal to like this way. This is not mandatory, but as you wish. Okay, hope you understood. Now see number. Draw a rhombus whose two diagonals are equal to the two diagonals of the quadrilateral. That means you have to draw the two diagonals at first. At first you take 6 centimeter diagonals. This is D equal to 6 centimeter. Now take another diagonal which is equal to seven centimeter. Okay. But the question look, draw a rhombus whose two diagonals are equal to the two diagonals of the quadrilateral. Okay. This is E equal to 7 centimeter. Now we have to bisect D. Okay, this is D by 2. Okay, dear student. Now we have to draw a rhombus. So you take at first any ray BE. This is BE. From BE, we cut BD equal to E. That means D. This is BE ray. From BE ray, we cut BD equal to E. Okay? Now we have to bisector of BD. Look. Like this way. Okay. This is the bisector of BD. This is F and this is G. Okay. You consider this is O. Now from OF and from OG we cut D by 2. Okay, D by 2, that means this is D by 2. Okay, D by 2. This arc name is A and this arc name is C. Now join AB. AB, BC, AD and DC. Look, A, B, C, D is the required rhombus. Dear student, as B and C is difficult, so I will repeat again. Look, this is the A equal to 5 cm, B equal to 4 cm, C equal to 4.5 cm, D equal to 6 cm. This is the diagonal and E equal to 7 cm. From any ray BE, we cut BD equal to A. With B and D as the center, draw two arcs on the radius A and B. On the same side of BD, the arcs intersect at O. With D and A at the center, draw two arcs of the radius C and D. This is C. Okay? You may give here also. No need to, as you wish, you may give or not. That's no problem. Radius C and D with respectively on this side of BD, opposite to A. Opposite to A. The arcs intersect at O. Join AB, AD, B and C, C and D. Then AB, CD is the required quadrilateral. And C number, this is diagonal and we have to bisect this diagonal. This is also diagonal. Look, from any line segment BE, we cut off BD equal to E. We draw bisector of GF on BD. We cut off OA equal to D by 2. This is D by 2. And OC equal to D by 2 from OF and from OG. Now join AB, AD, BC and CD. Then we get the ABCD is the required rhombus. Hope, dear student, hope you understood today's topic. So you practice and remember that practice makes a man perfect. So you practice more and more. See you again.